Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to make photo to video with one prompt on TikTok. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to make photo to video with one prompt on TikTok, all you gotta do is simply tap open your TikTok app. So once you open your TikTok app, you can simply find this plus option, simply tap on it and tap on the photo section or like this photo like icon on the top like bottom right hand side. After this, you need to select some photos and then simply scroll down and go to this option called auto cut. Once you select it, now your photo will be like transformed and it will be turned into a video. So this is a one prompt option to turn your photo to video on in TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.